Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today we're going to show you why it's a good idea to check the voltage of your vehicle once in a while, let's say every oil change or even more often. What you're going to need is a digital voltmeter, because not every vehicle is equipped with the voltmeter inside to tell you how the charging system is working. And usually if the vehicle, let me show you, if the vehicle's alternator is charging above, let's say 12 volts, you will not see light on the dash. I'm going to demonstrate you on this one right here now. Okay, we just started this one, and as you can see there is no alternator light, and you think everything's good with the vehicle, right? But no, in our case it's not, because it's overcharging right now, and we're going to show you why and what's causing that thing and how it can damage your vehicle and cost you thousands of dollars. So if you get the voltmeter and adjust it to go up to 20 volts, and you go on the positive and negative terminal while the vehicle is working, and as you can see in our case we have 18.5 volts, guys. That's ridiculous. It's supposed to be around 14. With that high voltage you can burn the computer, the car computer, the transmission computer, you can burn the instrument cluster itself, the radio, everything, and you can even catch on fire because the car is not made to run with that high voltage. So what's causing that is inside the alternator there is a voltage regulator that tells it should stay around 14 volts charging, and those, when they go bad, they either go bad two ways. It's not charging enough or it's overcharging, and if it's overcharging the vehicle is not going to even warn you. So that's why, guys, it's good to check that once in a while, and it can save you thousands of dollars and even save your vehicle. And as you can see, this is another alternator. You see 14 volts that's supposed to be, and we're getting 18.5, and it could be even higher than that. So hopefully the video was helpful, guys, and we'll help you prevent some problems and save you some money. Thank you for watching.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.